Hi viewers, you are in Tech Conversation with me Alok, and today we'll be talking about the most powerful phone on earth as of now. Can you guess which one it is? Well, a little bit late to join the party of the celebration of this awesome phone, Asus Rog Phone. But don't worry, this will be the most energetic review that you will see of this phone that is out there right now into the market. But to proceed with that, we'll first have to unbox it. Unbox this guy. So here comes the Asus Rog Phone 2's box out of the plastic. So let's continue with the unboxing. So this box is 4G Volt. It supports 4G Volt. In addition to other things, it also says Republic of Gamers. So all you gamers out there, this is the phone for you. By the way, this is the 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM version, which was listed on Flipkart for somewhere around 38,000 rupees. There's another higher version which has 12GB RAM and 512GB ROM. But the price difference between this one and that one is almost 20,000 rupees, which is way too much. So this is the phone if you want to go for at this price. Remember the famous quote by Bill Gates which said that no one ever in humanity will ever need more than 256 MB RAM. Well, you are getting 8GB RAM. Bill Gates, in your face. Now this box also says that this was imported by Flipkart India Private Limited. Flipkart India Private Limited and not Asus. So what this means is that to get this phone in India at this point of time, there is no retail channel available and you can purchase it only from Flipkart through some exclusive deal which Asus has acquired with Flipkart. And this box also says that there is one handset, one charger, one user manual of course, and one warranty card. Most of these boxes are so well designed that just by looking at them it's very difficult to find out how to open them. Let me see if this one is simple or does this one have some trick to open it. No, this one is pretty simple. The very first thing that came out of this box is this manual. Some kind of tag. Asus warranty information form. Most probably this will be the user manual. Yes, I'm right. I've never seen such a detailed user manual for a phone. This is the case. And there is of course the SIM pin. The company said that they will be giving out the 15-watt charger instead of the 30-watt super fast charger so that they can keep the cost in check. But because this phone has a massive 6000 mAh battery, you necessarily don't have to charge it again and again very quickly, so we can all live with the 15-watt charger. Alright, so what are we waiting for? Let's take out this bad boy, boot it up and see what all is there on the screen. Ooh. Wow, it's a pretty large phone. Now this phone is massive. 6.6 inch FHD plus display, which offers you 120 Hz refresh rate. 120 Hz refresh rate on a phone which is below 40,000 rupees. Has any other company got the guts to do this for you? Well, Asus has, and hats off to these guys. Now look at all the amazing cuts that are there on this body. I think this is the cooling vent. Look at the shape of the camera. Even the camera is not circular or rectangular as you normally get to see on the OnePlus 7s or you get to see on the Samsungs or in a square shape as you see on the iPhones. It's not even a trapezium. It's just a random cut to give you a very unique look. Simply gels into the body. But this phone does not go by the convention. This phone is offering you something totally different. So if you are the kind of buyer who wants something different, who wants something new, who does not follow the convention, still want everything best that there is in the market and still does not cost you your own kidney, then this is the phone for you. It's massive, see. It's almost the size of my palm. It's such a big phone. Full of a screen. But this is not a bezel-less screen. Bezel-less screen, in my opinion, are a little bit difficult to hold. Now, not only difficult to hold, when you damage those screens, they cost you a fortune. Like even on my Samsung's Galaxy S7 Edge, when I broke it, it cost me somewhere around 15,000 rupees. I hope the display of this screen will not cost me so much money. But then this has 120 Hz refresh rate. I don't know, maybe the hardware may be too expensive.